உயிரமே உன் கை பிடிச்சா போதும்.
Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be having a special unboxing and review of the Tiffen 0.3 ND filter. Let's do this, shall we? I'm storming through the packaging because already the delivery was delayed by 2 days. ND filters are just like cooling glasses, but for your camera. They reduce the light coming into the lens so that we can obtain that beautiful bokeh with very fast apertures and without reducing the exposure levels. Nobody shows us how to insert an ND filter onto the lens. This is how they do it. So simple, right?
Yes.
In this shot, there is a good amount of background blur, but the buildings become overexposed at 3.5. Now let's fix the filter and see how it is. At the same settings, the brightness gets reduced by 2 stops, and hence we don't have to slow down the aperture during sunny days or at any bright environments. The sharpness stays the same in my opinion, but vignetting occurs as you can see it around the corners. Another way to reduce the light rendering is by increasing the shutter speed, but you need to increase the number of frames per second accordingly so that you don't ignore the 180-degree shutter rule, and you can get some smooth slow-mo shots too. That's it guys, hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. And do subscribe to this channel so you won't miss my future videos. And peace!